The kg to newtons interactive calculator converts between mass and force using gravitational acceleration. This calculator has 6 input fields. First is the calculation mode drop-down menu, which offers 6 options: kilograms to newtons, newtons to kilograms, custom gravity, force difference between locations, mass from weight on different planet, and required mass for target force. For this demonstration, I'm using kilograms to newtons. Below that are 5 input fields: mass in kilograms, force in N, gravity in meters per second squared, second gravity in meters per second squared, and target force in N. Let's calculate using these values. Mass equals 10 kilograms, force equals 98.1 newtons, gravity equals 9.81 meters per second squared, second, gravity equals 1.62 meters per second squared, and target force equals 500 newtons. After clicking Calculate, the results show weight force equals 98.100 newtons. The result note confirms this uses standard Earth gravity at 9.81 meters per second squared, and the weight force represents the gravitational pull on this mass at Earth's surface. This demonstrates that a 10 kilogram mass experiences 98.1 newtons of force under Earth's gravity. This calculator streamlines force and mass conversions for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.